What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are back. I just felt like maybe popping open a couple 25th anniversary packs here. We do have a whole booster box that I just stole from Paradox Rift and decided to put some 25th anniversary packs in it. Anyways, guys, we are going to open up ourselves one of these booster packs that has 4 additional game cards brought to you by Celebrations. This is one of the packs from the Celebrations set, guys. 25th anniversary obviously is pretty dear to me, as I actually lived in Okinawa, Japan in 1995 when Pokemon first came out. So you can only imagine as a kid the things that I had access to living on an American base, also with a Japanese mall on base. I had access to both. Anyways, with that being said, guys, just trying to tell you guys a little bit about my story here. But we've got these 25th anniversary Pokemon packs, and I think it's time to open something up. Maybe some Evolving Skies. Maybe some Evolving Skies. I mean, we got options, guys. We have options. So, alright, let's do this. I feel like I get this card every single time.
A-P-P-L-E. A-P-P-L-E.
Oh, Shining MagiKarp. And another Pikachu. Let's go, guys. So I'm putting my 25th anniversary cards in these really cool looking sleeves I got here. I like them. I think it's pretty fitting to have just pretty much all the energy cards on here. Pokemon original logo. Why not throw the 25th anniversary cards in here, right? I'm glad that I was able to pull the Shining MagiKarp. That's awesome. Beautiful, guys. All right. Well, guys, I think we'll do one more here. Okay, one last one. Let's do one more 25th anniversary opening. This is just supposed to be a short, quick video. Just grabbing a couple packs from the collection here. Seeing if we can hit on anything special, right? Code card. Okay, here we go. Reshiram. Look at this, a Palkia again. Uh-oh, this is probably a dud pack and another freaking Pikachu. Sheesh. They should have made this card more rare. It's funny though, they make it Red Cheeks Pikachu too. Just still a cool card, honestly. I like it. One of my favorite cards, but a little bit more common than you would think. But thank you guys for watching. Just a couple packs of 25th anniversary. Just wanted to see if we could pull anything that I haven't pulled yet. And sure enough, we did. I do not have a Shining MagiKarp. So glad that we were able to pull this card, guys. And stay tuned. We have another video coming soon.